Hello, my name is Noah, and I'm with TouchScreen Pros. And today, I'm going to be showing off our product. This is our Lite Touch board, and right now it is in our Pro Plus configuration. So what you get with the Pro Plus is that you get the Android software that's built into all of our Lite Touch boards. With the Pro Plus, you also get a full Windows unlocked PC built into it as well. So you get full touch capabilities with it, up to 40 points of touch on our LED boards. And with all education purposes, you also get our Enlighten educational software, which is a lesson builder tool that is really, really helpful. It has different ways you can use it, and different ways you can present things built into it. We also have our eShare software, which allows for wireless casting. So you can use eShare app to be able to cast to it or from it, and you can also use Miracast, Chromecast, AirPlay, any of those devices. As long as you're on the same Wi-Fi, you can connect to it wirelessly. So, and it has a lot of wireless options as well, HDMI, USB, USB-C, as well as DisplayPort in the back. So lots of different ways to be able to connect to it. Then as well with our Pro Plus model, you get these two speakers built into the side, as well as the LiteTrack 4K camera, which tracks you around the room, which is great for conferences or classrooms. So that is a lot of what our Lite Touch Pro Plus has to offer. Our website is www.touchscreenpros.com.